Today, parents, I would like to make a video to show you how to make easy PDF documents to submit your teachers or your child's work via WhatsApp for me. Okay, so the first thing you do is you go to the your Google Play Store app, and then you download the CAM Scanner app. I've already done that. Now I'm opening it. Okay, you'll see on the right hand side at the bottom there's a little camera. Now you're going to take a photo of the document you want to send to me. I'm just doing 2 documents, but you can do a lot more. Why did it not take? See. So you just press it there in the middle. Now you've got 2 documents. Then you go, you'll see on the right hand side, there's where the smiley face is. I'll go to my documents. Now you can see, you can just make sure that it is nice. That one looks fine. That one as well. You'll see in the middle, you've got an option if you did not take the picture correctly, where you can turn it upside down or however. Then you're pressing the arrow, that button there, and now you name it. I'm gonna name it how to make a PDF. Say OK at the top. Then you'll see there's a share option and a PDF option. So the better one to take is the PDF option. Then you just press share. Go to WhatsApp and you choose your contact, where you share it. Okay, let me do it on my, let's just do it on the test group. I'm sending it. And there, you've got it. You open it. Now I can download this and put it in a folder for every child. So that would really help me, because my phone is getting full of photos, and I would just like to organize this on my computer. I really hope this helped you, and enjoy your day.